Hi everyone, my name is Wilson Leung and I am the Director of the Graduate Leadership Institute at Yates School of Graduate Studies. Today I want to talk to you about the theme of influence. Did you know that your influence is kind of like this domino? More specifically, your influence can create domino effects in the lives of others. Your leadership can create ripples of consequence into the lives of people all around us. But here's the thing, your domino effect can either be positive or unfortunately it could also be negative as well. Your words, your actions, your skills, your character, your attitudes, all of these things can either be helpful and supportive of others, or it could also be hurtful and damaging to others as well. And we all have the power to choose the type of domino effect that we want to leave behind. Here's another aspect of influence, in that our domino effects can reach the different systems or areas of our lives. So your graduate class or your graduate program is one particular system, but we're part of many other systems in our lives as well. Our family, our friends, our neighborhood or community, our volunteer groups, our faith groups, even the teams that we're on. These are all examples of the different systems that our domino effect can reach. So what are you going to do about your influence today? How will you use your influence in your graduate studies and even in the systems beyond that to influence others positively? Well, my hope is that we will all use our leadership in a way that will create positive domino effects in the lives of others. Because remember, your leadership matters.